Good morning, class. Welcome to your final day of your 2-point perspective unit. Today we have 3 things to complete. We first need to do your entrance ticket worth 2 points. Then you're going to submit your final image of your project for 100 points. And lastly, your learning log for 28 points. That's your final grade, like your kind of like your test in my class, the learning log. So today is a total of 130 points. There's a lot to submit to ensure that your grade stays strong throughout the rest of the time that you're in class. So to start with your entrance ticket, your 2 questions are: what is the foreground, and why does the foreground need to include the highest level of detail? Please make sure you use the day 1 PowerPoint for help with both of those answers. I want to see you guys get the full 2 points. Then just submit your final project to the 2-point perspective final project assignment. That'll be worth 100 points. You should be submitting your most current final draft of your project that represents a high level of detail and effort. I'm hoping you guys really took your time to build these as strongly as you could. And then lastly, your learning log. It is a self-reflection of your progress for the assignment and what you've learned. The first section is the vocabulary. Please use the day 1 PowerPoint for help with these. I still have students who refuse to use it, or they just don't for some reason. Nobody should be getting less than 8 points in the vocab. Please use the PowerPoint for help. It's basically an open book, open note quiz for the vocab. And then for the artist statement, the second section, please make sure you answer in full, complete sentences that shows an honest reflection of your work. And then lastly, your central question. That's a question we've been discussing every day, which is at the top here. It says, how does 1-point and 2-point linear perspective help the viewer better understand the dynamics of various space? And again, what that question basically means, it's asking, how does the linear perspective technique that we've been using, how does that allow us to understand the space better? How does it make the space seem more realistic as compared to maybe like a flat drawing that you might see from an elementary school student? So kind of think about that when answering that question. All right, if you have any questions, I'll be here to help. Just let me know what you need, and I look forward to seeing everyone's submissions. All right, bye everyone.